The most rewarding thing about running Missing at Sea is getting to fish with new people and hear their story. With a decent block of weather forecasted, we jumped on a plane and headed to North Queensland. We decided to catch up with Harley, whom I'd met at the boat ramp a few months back. Myself, Harley and our cameraman packed his 17-foot centre console, embarking on a 90-kilometre run to the outer reefs. Our main objective for this trip was to test a range of samples we've been designing over the past year. Fishing the shallow structure along the Great Barrier Reef is the ideal environment to put our designs to the test. We are big advocates for doing as much field testing as possible, which is also a great excuse to go fishing. However, lightweight bait casters aren't exactly ideal for the reef flats. We gave Harley a new lure design to try, with some promising results, whilst I stuck to our trusty death wobble. Running an almighty 5 kilos of drag and high sticking it to the moon and back is one way to test a light blank. We'll just leave this one here. Wow! Oh! Look quick, he's a good trout! Yes! Fishing in 40 centimetres of water doesn't exactly make life easy. But when the tide's draining off the reef, the monsters come out to play. We spotted a school of baitfish being harassed and decided to try some small popper designs we'd been sampling, and they worked an absolute treat.
Wow! Yep, I was on it. God, yep, yep.
As the light began to fade, we decided to trial a new slow pitch blank we've been working on. Well, the rod felt amazing, however the 20-pound setup was a little undergunned. It was now time to bunker down for the night in our 17-foot super yacht. After blowing 20 knots all night, we arose to some ideal conditions, ready for a morning jig. When you put it like that, you think you got it like that when I act like that, alright. I'm about that back.
Oh, you already done it.
We found the honey hole, man. We have found the honey hole.
Fucking popped him.
As the tide dropped, it was time to hit the flats.
Carl's, now that tide's turning, the fishing's slowing down. I reckon we fish these flats here, these little kind of veins.
You got him?
Get him up and over.
Yeah. Big trout.
Good trout. Oh yeah. Big bucket mouth. Big bucket mouth. Oh, get him, hard. Wow! Oh, oh, oh. Holy crap, he come out of nowhere.
Well, after 2 epic days fishing on the reef, testing some new gear, it was time for the long ride home.
How many days off do you normally get on your roster?
5 and 4.
So you do 4 weeks on, 5 days off?
Nah, like 4 days off, 5 days on.
Oh, okay. When you have time off, do you do a bit of fishing?
A bit. I go every day.
Every day.
I got to leave one day though, so I can get
the house ready.
Get the house ready. get the clothes
no
washed.
wife, no kids, just fishing. How come?
It's just what I love doing.
Me too. But I have a wife and kid.
I'll get there one day.
One day, mate. One day.
This is my wife for now.
This is your wife. What's her name? I hate to say it, but your wife looks like shit, man.
Oh.
She needs a clean up bad. Oh, let's get in. I'm so burnt and hot.